Welcome to our channel. If you've just purchased an Amazon Echo device, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up and connect Alexa to your Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Plug your Echo device into a power outlet using the included power adapter. Wait for the light ring to turn orange, indicating it's in setup mode. Step 3. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one. Step 4. Tap Devices at the bottom of the screen, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Step 5. Select Amazon Echo from the list of device types, then choose your specific Echo model. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone to the Echo's temporary Wi-Fi network. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings when prompted. Step 7. Return to the Alexa app and select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Step 8. Wait for your Echo to connect to Wi-Fi. The light ring will turn blue, then orange, and finally turn off when successfully connected. Step 9. Complete the setup by following any additional prompts in the app, such as choosing your device location and customizing settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.